Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is my update for the hashtag Partners in Cream 2022 that was set up by myself and the lovely DaLin, and it is a cream project pan. It can have anywhere between 3 and 6 products, but you can kind of do whatever you want to do. All the information is down below. It finishes December 10th for the year. I'll have to talk to DaLin. Are we doing it next year? I'm not sure. If people want to, I'm sure we will. But if you're interested in seeing my update, then let's just get into it. Okay, elephant in the room. Steph, what the hell? Where have you been? What's the story? What? I filmed a get ready with me with this weird look. I was just playing. That's all it was. It will go up after my project pans because I use all my project pan items in the video and I don't want any spoilers. So that will come up, but it'll just be after that. If I'm at my hair, I just washed it. So, and I normally wear my hair up. The battery is running out of the camera and I just really want to get this video filmed. So if I'm rushing, I am sorry. Let me just get my numbers here. So for reference, I personally have 5 products in at any time, 4 to finish. 1 is a usage for those difficult products so that I'm getting use out of it. So I'm going to start with my what's rolling out, my progress and what I'm rolling in. So rolling. The first product that's rolling out is my Marc Jacobs liner in the shade Black Hour. I can't roll it up anymore. That is the height of it. This is the entirety of the product. I got this from DaLin. I used it 30 times in this, sorry, my hair really now is annoying me. I use it 30 times in this project in particular. I used it an awful lot before this project, so I actually got a lot of uses out of it. I'm so glad that DaLin gave me this to try because I just did not like it. I didn't think it was good. Could you imagine if I spent the obviously you can't get it now, but the monstrosity amount of money that the Marc Jacobs liner probably was. So the point being is I didn't like it because I don't know, like I must have watery eyes, I don't know. Metropolitan Creole, is that how you pronounce your name? Was saying that she has watery eyes, or else her mom does. Well, whatever the point was, is it doesn't matter. It makes your eyes run whether they're watery or not. I found, sorry, this runs. I found it fell out. It just fell out, fell down. It would, not only did it fall off the waterline, it fell onto my face. So for that much money, you do not want that to happen. So it's gone and I'm actually really glad. But I'm actually really glad that I didn't like it because you can't get it again. And the fact that I got to try it. Like what a great gift to get things like that you can actually try and see. So it's rolling out, but it is actually an empty. It's an empty. So now I can finally say that. My usage product was the Tower 28 flower blush balm that I got from Courtney, who I'll link down below. She's on Instagram, not on YouTube, but DaLin is on YouTube, so I'll link DaLin down below. This is in the shade Bitten. It's so pigmented, but it blends so easily. Sorry, there's just everything was going wrong today. It blends so easily. It's very intense. You only need a teeny bit, but it is a lovely product. I had used it 9 times. I needed to use it 20. I have now used it 20 times. I actually really like the formula of this. I really would like to try, you know, that pinched colour, but I don't need any cream blushes right now, so I'm not going to. But that is rolling out and we'll roll 2 products in at the end. And then for progress, where the progress at? This product, this I also got from DaLin. What kind of have I noticed this before? This is the Urban Decay Primer Potion. Look how many markings there are. I can't make a new marking since then because it's like in that cusp fat area at the end where no matter how much I squeeze to see where I am, product will come out, so I don't know. This is the Urban Decay Primer Potion and I have used this now a total of 103 times in this project. I had used it 22 more times since you've last seen it. But yes, I've used it 22 more times. I really like this product. I really do. I have to set it down like straight away or it will like curdle or crust up. But it really does make my eyeshadow last an awful lot longer. And again, I don't know if it was this video or if it was the other video. I have oily skin and oiliness and this keeps it on. So I'm really awkward today. But yeah, Loving that. Don't even mind that it's taken me the whole year because I've panned it before. It takes, well, I think it took me 13 months the last time, so I kind of knew what I was getting myself into. This is a Terra 28 Suncoast, and I don't know if this was a to finish or a to hit pan, but it doesn't matter. I haven't done neither just yet. And the weights, Terra 28, I have used it 21 times in total. I had used it 9 times the last update. It has changed in weight actually. I took a picture of that one. I took a picture on my phone, and it went down 0.43 grams in this 22 uses. I do apply it with this sponge here, and it covers pretty much the surface area. So I'd say it might take a while to hit pan, but when I do, it might be a big juicy Lucy one, who knows. I use this as a bronzer topper. I do have it on today because it's too light to be a bronzer on me right now, and it is too dark to be a highlighter, so I put it over my cheek and it's absolutely lovely. There's green on my face because, as you will see, I got green all over my face in my Get Ready With Me. So that's that beautiful product that I really like. I rolled that in because I was afraid it would go off. The last product, I can't believe it's not finished. Look, it's so tiny. I can't even make a marking now. Hang on, where's my piece of paper? Have I ever filmed a YouTube video before? Look at the state of how I'm performing today. This is the whirl, this bit here. Hang on. I went from up here down. It's not even on the page anymore. Can't mark it. So this is like the second year that it's in this project because it's a drier formula. I personally prefer that. I know a lot of people seem to prefer creamy, but creamy migrates on my face like nobody's business. This is drier and I really, really like it. So I have used this 91 times in this project this year, not including last year. I had used it 76 times the last update. So how many times have we used it? I've used it another 15 times since you've last seen it. I am struggling to sharpen this now, so as soon as it comes, I'll get another sharpen because I put it in to check, but it's close. Will it be gone the next update? It really should be, but again, I just really like it. I really like the MAC lip pencils. They're so good. Like, they really are my preference. Okay, so we're rolling out these two things and we're rolling in. So for roll-ins, roll in, to finish. Okay, I was trying to think, right, there's how many months, where are we now in life? Are those my feet? It is the 11th of October today. I know that it was meant to go up on the 10th, but look, you'll see my Get Ready With Me. I was like, what liquid products could I finish by December 10th? That is exactly like 2 months from today. Not really anything. There's a potential here. So I used to have maybe 5+ facial sprays, but I tend to have so many because I use them a lot in work. When I was at home, I really, really didn't find the need to, so I just have these two. I finished this and I bought this for holidays and used it in the little bottle. So I still have 2. And for a while I wasn't panning because I said that's enough, but now this one is actually getting old. I actually have to pan it. I was going to roll it in January anyway. So I shone. Is it shone? Shine a light through it. And it's to here. I'll film a close-up, but it's to here. Can I do it? I don't know. I need to use it up. This is the Milani Make It Dewy Setting Spray in Hydrate, Illuminate and Set. From recollection, this didn't set. I paid €15.99. 16 euros for this. Like, my concept, like, these things are just so expensive. These things aren't cheap at all. So I want to use this. I don't think I'd repurchase it, and I'm going to put it on. So this is a to finish. I want to finish it. Potentially, my goal every year is to finish 50 makeup products, and I'm at 44 right now. I kind of want to get to 51 and remove one off my list because it's a product I wouldn't normally include as an empty. So I need to use 6 to 7 more products by the end of the year to hit that goal. I know 2 for sure. I'll definitely have 2. And the rest is like, will I even reach that goal? I don't know. So this is being rolled in. I find it hard to do this at home. And then for usage, this mightn't be a big deal to you, but this terrifies the crap out of me. 10 uses, 10. And it'll probably take me 17 months to get to 10 uses. This is a liquid eyeliner. I'm really glad I have one thing in as a usage goal. If I had this in to finish, I would give up and die. It was just too hard. This is the black liquid eyeliner from the BAM in the Schwing liner, and I really like it, but I never really wear liquid eyeliner right now unless I'm like going somewhere, like even, not even somewhere, but like a night out type somewhere, which is like never, you know? I want to use this 10 times. Oh God, that's actually going to be so hard for me, but I have too many black liquid eyeliners. I would like one and two at a push. And I would just like to own one, but if I happen to have two, I wouldn't be overwhelmed, because now the ones I have aside from this, I think there's one full size and the rest are like mini ones, which is fine. They're not opened, but considering how infrequently I wear them, it's silly for me to have that many. So I want to get 10 more. I do like this one. This one is the opened one. 10 more uses, and at least I'm getting use out of it. I'll leave it out because I have to wear it now. Ooh, what am I doing? God, I don't know. Anyway, that is my update. Thank you so much for watching if you took the time to do so. And I have added, if I've missed people in the playlist, I'm sorry, I'm really trying. But I can't wait to watch everyone's video. I actually have watched a few already that are there. But yes, thank you so much for watching. And if you're interested in hearing my Get Ready With Me is ginormous. It was 50 minutes. I have to edit it. I just have to edit that down. But that is 50 minutes of absolute ramble of where I've been. So I'll go into it there. The next few videos, I'm just going to do my project pan updates, but you will see it there. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you the next time. Take care. Bye. Thank you.